Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix Instagram story music not working. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first, access your Play Store in your mobile phone, go to search bar and simply type in Insta to see if your app is not updated or not, because if it's not, then sometimes that can cause some of the error and lags within your app that will make it just not work properly. So make sure it's updated. Afterwards, the other thing is you're simply going to go ahead, open your Instagram app, and you're here in this story section, and you have chosen picture from your gallery. Go to music section, but you're trying to search a particular music that is just not available, you cannot find it. Could be because it is only available in some regions, it is not available in yours. So for that matter, you again have to go back to your Play Store and simply search in and type in VPN. Download yourself a VPN app that then you can connect it to with another reason, and you can go back and access that particular song in your Instagram story. So that is how you can solve your problem. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.